What's up, guys? I just finished editing my drone videos that I took in Alaska while I was working up there last summer. I think it's super cool, and I can't wait for some of you guys to watch it. So when we first start out watching the video, it'll be in the harbor and kind of the town area of Cordova. Then we're gonna go up to Eyak Mountain, one of the coolest hikes that I've ever been on in my life. Pretty cool drone footage too. Then we're gonna come back down, check out the coolest sunset ever with some ships, some seagulls, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. It's just under 4 minutes long. Please watch the whole thing and don't get bored. Hope you guys enjoy it. How was it? Let me know in the comments if you guys didn't like it, if you think I could have done something different in my edit, different music maybe. Probably could have shortened it up a little bit, but there's just so many good, like there's like an hour's worth of footage that I had and I just had to cut it down. That was like the shortest, but it was still long, and so I know it was long. I really hope you guys made it this far, and thank you. If you liked it, drop a like, comment, maybe subscribe. See you guys. Peace.